everyone, my name is Zainab and today we are here to tribute to BTS on the 7th anniversary. So let me tell you who is BTS. BTS is a group of 7 angels who is a K-pop group in South Korea. They have rewarded 265 awards, highest ranking in K-pop groups. They have millions of fans and today 7 years ago Amazing Boy come and debuted in our lives.
Lantern holds a special place in our heart. Since they do so much for us, why can't we do something for them in return? So here we have some army who have a small message to our 7 angels. So here we go.
Loving them so much, knowing the fact that they have only 7 hearts, but there are 7 billion fangirls. But the best part is still loving them by heart. No matter what, ARMY will always support BTS.
ARMY loves BTS, BTS loves ARMY. Realizing that there's no more greater love than this, many people try to crush us, but together you cannot because we are a family.
Let's walk hand in hand, let's never walk alone. Let's walk side by side, next to each other, love each other, support each other. Not just an army, not just an idol, but as a family. I love you and I purple you.
Why I love BTS? Actually, there is no reason to love and support BTS. After meeting you all, I came to know what soul means.
We will always be thankful for being such a wonderful part in our life, even though we are ocean apart, even though we can't communicate with each other, even though we do not speak same languages, even though our country differs, we will always support you and love you.
You are not just amazing artists, but you are 7 kings who changed our perspective of our world, our lives, our way of thinking, our action, our whole presence in front of you.
Do you hear that? That's our family. That's our purple ocean. And we're gonna be a part of that one day. I promise.
Not now, may not be soon. You're gonna part of that ocean. Laughing, crying, screaming, and having your best night of your life. Waving your army bomb around. And you're gonna think, wow, I did it, I purple.
You have been a huge influence in our lives, and that's why I want to say I love you like you've never felt the pain. I promise you don't have to be afraid, you don't have to worry about losing us.
Thank you very much because you have changed our life. Thank you because you always want to do the best for the army.
All 7 of you are so special to ARMY. We love you and I wish and pray that nothing happens to you. Don't care what others say about you.
We are always here to support you along the way. Don't think about anyone else, just be yourself.
We'll always miss you, we'll always love you, we'll always cry with you, we'll always laugh with you, we'll always do our best to supporting you and we'll always be with you.
ARMY is not just a fandom, it's more than that, and it cannot be expressed by words. The most important thing that we learn from you is to love ourselves.
Thank you for giving us reason to smile, for never letting us give up on your hard work and for not giving up on your dreams. I purple you BTS.
You all have trained hard to perform the best for us, but it has made you all very tired. Even if you got an injury, you are doing your best for ARMY. We love your hard work.
Namjoon, thank you for teaching us if you want to love others, love yourself first. And also thank you for being such an amazing loving leader, the glue which keeps BTS members.
Suga, thank you for smiling and being work and shine the group who makes everyone happy. And you are going to be perfect, not to be real.
Jimin, thank you for being there and comforting the other members and hearing out their problems. Never give up on a dream that you have been chasing almost your life. Purple you BTS.
J-Hope, if you don't work hard, there won't be a good result. Also thanks to make smiling each and every time. We also love your dance.
Tay, thank you for always wanting to show your new talent and for always staying positive. Don't let be a dream, just be a
Jungkook, thank you for loving your older brother in Bangtan and working hard to make sure that you give best to your fan.
Jin, thank you for teaching us even when I fall and hurt myself running towards my dream is proof person who makes us believe in yourself. Be confident, so do not be afraid to be proud, go and express yourself.
If you have millions of fans, I'm one of them.
I have thousands of fans. I'm one of them.
If you have 10 fans, I'm one of them.
If you have one fan, I'm the one.
If you have no fans, I'm no more.
BTS till my last breath.
Every second, BTS.
Every minute, BTS.
Every hour, BTS.
Every day, BTS.
Every week, BTS.
Every month, BTS.
Every year,
BTS. BTS is our everything.
Thank you, BTS, because the biggest part that you have played in my life is helping me to let go of things that no longer help me. Thank you, Kim Namjoon, Kim Seokjin, Mi Yoongi, Jung Ho Suk, Park Jimin, Kim Taeyang, and Jeon Jungkook. You all complete me and complete BTS. I love every single one of you. Also, I want to thank Big Hit Entertainments for giving us these 7 angels which make us happy each and every time. Also, we want to thank their managers and their guards for taking care of them each and every time. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. We purple you.
They deserve the world. We will not tell you love them, but don't hate them. We purple you.
생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 지구에서 우주에서 제일 사랑합니다. 꽃보다 더 곱게 별보다 더 밝게 사자보다 용감하게 Happy birthday to you. 생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다.